What's up, everybody? Rob Anderson here, Las Vegas Magician. We are here on the Las Vegas Strip tonight, where we are going to put on some masks here in a second and do a little bit of magic for Carl and Kaylee. They came here all the way from DC. See a little bit of Las Vegas magic tonight. They didn't know they were going to be seeing, and we're about to show them. So, Carl, Kaylee, I've confirmed already you two are a couple. You're dating, yes? And we're doing a little bit of a couples magic thing tonight. So let me ask you, how long have you two been dating?
2 years, 8 months.
2 years, 8 months. Got a good memory. That's good. He knows exactly. Most guys don't know that. Most guys don't know that. That's good. 2 years, 8 months ago, you went on some of those first dates, started falling in love, realized, hey, I like this person. Let's do this again. I want to take you back to some of those first dates with our first trick here, okay? Carl, I'm going to have you hold out your right hand just like this. Kaylee, your right hand is going to come out just like this if you could. We're going to hand you a card here. We're going to use the Ace of Spades for this. I'm going to lay this into Carl's hand here. Kaylee's hand will go on top of that card. Sorry, like that. My mistake. Right on top, holding it right there. You can feel the card in the middle of there. Remember holding hands on some of those first dates, right? I've got the Four of Hearts. It's another card we're going to use here, but I think the hearts are better for you two to have. We're talking about love tonight. Felt some love on those first dates. Just tell me, did you feel that right there? Yeah. Yes? Did you feel that, Carl? Did you feel that?
Whoa.
Look what you have. Look.
Oh, weird.
The hearts. Much better for you two to have. Much better for our very good compatible couple, 2 years, 8 months together. 2 years, 8 months. That's compatibility right there. And actually, it's exactly what our second trick has to deal with, compatibility. I took 4 cards here from the deck earlier. I made a prediction on just one, okay? In a second, I think I'm gonna be able to show you that I've already predicted what you two are about to do together with your compatibility, right? I don't want you to think this is sleight of hand at all, so you're gonna hold the cards, Kaylee. Okay. Could you hold one hand out, cupping it just like this? I'm gonna place these cards here. Just hold them so they don't fall. Perfect, freeze right there. Again, I've told you, these are queens. I did something special with one. You're compatible, you're gonna work together on this to make this happen. Carl, you're first. Imagine the queens in Kaylee's hand right now. That's going to be the Queen of Hearts, Diamonds, Spades, and Clubs. Kaylee, Carl just chose Hearts and Diamonds, red cards. From here, you can choose to keep either one. This is your choice now. Would you like to keep the heart or the diamond?
The heart.
The heart over the diamond. Love over money. She's a keeper. That's good. She's a keeper. Look, I predicted one card. You two worked together. You chose the Queen of Hearts. I actually predicted before I came here, well, I should say Queen of Hearts together. It's the only one I picked for you two from a totally different deck of cards.
Wow.
That's how sure I was. I was so sure I brought that Queen of Hearts for our compatible couple, but I didn't bother bringing any of the other cards at all. Only our Queen of Hearts for our very compatible couple here tonight that works so well together on that. You got a round of applause. That's good. Let's do a grand finale. Kaylee, I'd like your help. I'd like you to think of any happy memory that you have shared with Carl. Could be anything at all. I will not try to guess this or say what it is, okay? I just want you to think of a time you felt so happy with Carl the past 2 years, 8 months together. Imagine that memory, put yourself back there, remember what you were doing and where you were. And I really want you to think about the time this happened as if you could picture a round clock up above Carl's head, seeing all the numbers on the clock. I just want you to picture the number closest to the hour when this happens. So you're just going to be thinking of a number between 1 and 12. Okay? You've got that number between 1 and 12 in your mind right now, yes? 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 1 o'clock. Again, with 12 right here, 1 all the way to 12 on our clock. I know you're thinking of one of the times on this clock. I have to figure out what it is. In order to do that, I'm going to complete our clock with this fork that I stole from dinner at Bellagio earlier. Don't tell them. They hate when I do this. Keep your eye on 12 o'clock. We're going to move the clock slightly so it faces the camera, with 12 being right here. 12 o'clock is right there. 1 through 12, I'm going to complete the clock by laying this fork at 10 o'clock. No. Oh, that was close. Watch the fork. 11 o'clock?
Yeah.
You were thinking of 11 o'clock?
Yeah.
Very special memory happened for you both at 11 o'clock. Meaning 11 o'clock is your special memory. It's the only card that matters here, and that 11 o'clock card will be your souvenir. At this point, you can both remove your masks as we finish up the show. I'll leave this souvenir card. Oh, that's a good card. Why don't you take that card, Carl? Whenever you're ready, I'll let you show Kaylee what that card is, whenever you'd like.
Kaylee, I love you.
Oh
you marry me?
Woo!